2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.